Thanks for coming today, and I want to thank all my former professors who showed up here this afternoon, and greetings again.
In our archives, we have a videotape and audio tape collections and the printed transcripts from them. And from this one, which is 35 hours of videotapes we made on our trip around the world in 1983 on my last sabbatical, I turned that into a book so that I could share all the brief summaries of what happened. And in our audio tape collection, we have audio tapes going back to the 70s. I can transcribe these now on the computer, of course, and turn them into digital audio. Quite an interesting part of our archives, the audio recordings.